Well, we always had this relationship na parang friends lang kami, so we could talk about anything. Yun, it was always like that until now, ganun pa rin siya.
I'm earning my freedom for every year na lumilipas. Kasi nung bata ako, ano siya masyado siyang strict. Always yun na kapag dating ng 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, kailangan nasa loob na ako ng bahay. So, ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong binabantayan. Siguro, nagtitiwala lang siya sa akin.
When I was young, malapit na ako sa dad ko. Lagi kami magkasama. Kung saan siya nagpupunta, nandun din ako. Ang tawag sa akin yan, Munisilyo eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sabihin nun.
Pinaka-memorable sa akin ng every birthday niya. Kasi every birthday niya, pinag-iipunan ko talaga yung niririgalo ko sa kanya. At saka gusto ko, yung niririgalo ko sa kanya, palagi niyang gamit.
Minsan lang kasi mag-usap kami ng dad ko eh. Pero pag nag-uusap kami, yun, marami naman akong natututunan, marami siyang advice na binibigay sa akin. So, every time we talk, it's always unforgettable.
Pag kaming tatlo magkasama, laging masaya. And I remember those days when I was very young, tatlo kami laging magkasama wherever we went. It's as if parang barkada kami, ganon.
It really gave me something sa show business, yung family name namin. It really done me so much. For Father's Day, something new naman. Siguro hindi na material na bagay, I love you lang.
Dahil rin sa kanya, marami ring doors to my career that opened, marami opportunities. So, I'm very thankful. Happy Father's Day, Tay. Tsaka sana more power, sana mas magkaroon pa ng development yung career mo.
Ang daddy ko talagang very supportive sa akin, especially with my music, no? He bought me my first few equipment. Kung anong gusto ko, nandun siya. You're one person whom I really, really, truly respect. Not because of the things that you've accomplished in your life, but because you've kept all of us together, you and Mommy. That is a gift that I can never replace. The gift of love that you've given us. Kung kaya naman naging matino akong tao, dahil lamang sa'yo. And all my life, all my love, and everything that I have, I give to you, Dad. And I love you very much. Happy Father's Day.
So I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each started course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. I fill my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took those and did it my way.
Happy Father's Day, Dad!
Tignan mo ako. Tignan mo ako.
Pare, Crayola ka ba?
Kita nyo na yung luha ko. Dad. Alam mo, iba, pagka mag-ama magkasama, no, Dad, touching talaga, touching para sa atin. Dad, kanina nabati nyo na si Ogie. Ikaw naman, ano masasabi mo sa father mo?
Ay, wala. My dad is, bukod sa, nakita nyo ngayon ang tatay ko, nakita nyo kung bakit ako gwapo.
Hindi ko nga malaman kung anong nangyari.
Anong nangyari
Hindi, eto may question ako. Question na lang, pare. Para sa inyo, Daddy, para sa inyong dalawa. Ano yung mga naaalala nyo, mga moments, mga maliliit na moments na naramdaman nyo talaga na mag-ama kayo? Yung mga special moments na yan.
Hindi, ako pare, ayaw ko naalala to ni Daddy eh. I remember, kasi late in life ko lang na-realize na marunong ako kumanta eh.
Okay.
Bigla na lang umuwi ako isang gabi. Sabi ko, Dad, marunong ako kumanta. Tapos, ano yung sinasabi yung marunong kumanta? Hindi, pakinggan niyo ako. And di ba, sa dinner table, tapos kinantahan ko sila lahat. And wala lang, parang I just remember that day na ang unang-una kong gustong sabihan na marunong kumanta was my dad, of course.
Yun. At Daddy, ito naman tanong ko sa inyo. Ano ang mga nakikita nyo kay Ogie na sinasabi nyo, ako yan. Ako yan, yung mga kilos, mga galaw, anong... Marami ba siya namana sa inyo?
Oo, katulad halimbawa nung malimutin ng mga bagay-bagay.
Tsaka yung may mga nawawalang mga kung ano-ano, burara, gano'n. Palagay ko yun.
Tama yun, tama
Tatay
yun.
ko yun.
Ganun ba? Ano pa?
Siguro, Dad, pag nakikita niyo ako pag nag-golf, yan.
Ayun! Pero talo ka ng daddy mo
Oo,
eh.
kaya nga. Talo nga ako.
Baka hindi na ngayon.
Hindi na ba ngayon? Okay, any message pa sa inyong dalawa?
Well, Dad, Happy Father's Day. Thank you. Wala na akong masasabi niyo, Dad. Thank you for everything that you've given us. Kaming magkakapatid. And of course, to Mommy. I thank you for a beautiful life that I have. And that's because of you. So, Happy
Ganda
Father's Day. I
naman.
love you, Dad.
Ganda. Okay. Dad,
Baka may gusto ko sabihin daw, Dad, sa akin. Thank you. Wala na daw.
Sabi ko na kanina.
Ayan. Okay, thank you very much, Daddy. Ogie, The Alcasids, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik pa po ang SOP. See you later. Bye.
I guess it's time to make a change. Just relax and take it easy. I'm still young, that's my fault. There's so much I have to know. Find the girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. You were once what I am now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found forgot, for you will still be here tomorrow, but you'll be how can I try to explain when I do it turns away again? It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's no way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. I love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. When at last I found you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be with you. And the things you do and give you to me. Oh, you know I will. Oh, yes, I will. Oh, I will. I will. No, I will.
Naluluha ka na, pare. Wala na naman.
Uy, alam niyo ba?
Tama, pleasure po. That? Great pleasure. Ano? Mas gwapo talaga mga tatay.
Kanina naiiyak kami sa inyo dalawa dito. Hawa kami. Tapos naging family naman, natatawa kami kasi parang talagang jolly-jolly. Ito namang dalawa, cool na cool.
Siyempre, kailangan parang lively. Para kunyari, bata pa. Alam mo kung bakit naiiyak si Ogie? Sabi niya, bakit ako ganito? Tatay ko gwapo. Vince, bago ang lahat, babating ko muna ang airpods ko. Mayabang ako dahil best supporting actor. Bagyo. Nagmana sa anak. Actually, di naman tono eh. Dadalo ba tayo dal na movie mo? Ano ba yun? Tutusin, di naman ito dapat father and son eh.
Ano dapat?
Magkapatid na lang.
Magkapatid yun eh.
Okay lang, mukha naman silang matatanda yung mga bata.
Pero Mark, ano bang New Year's resolution mo for Gabby? Kasi kailangan ito ng New Year's resolution.
Bakit? Ako? Ewan ko, bahala siya.
Bahala sa cool na cool.
Dad, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Kuya. At sa lahat ng mga daddy. Sa lahat mo ng daddy. Mga daddy lang sa Happy New Year. Happy Father's Day. Babalik pa po ang SOP.
Happy birthday also to Direk Baldomaro.
Happy birthday, Pao Pao. Pao Pao, happy birthday.
Well, anyways, you know Jano and Augie are well-known lady magnets.
Really?
Alam
No
niyo?
comment.
May kwento ko sa'yo.
Okay, ano?
Kaming tatlo, we went out.
Oh my gosh.
Wag na lang, wag na lang.
Chismosa to ah.
Never mind. Oh, wag, okay.
May nagre-react dyan.
And this time, it's the first time for us all to see them sing to the first women of their lives.
And ladies and gentlemen, first time on Philippine television, and it happens only here on the Undisputed Concert Authority on TV, SOP.
Heto na ang mga Gibbs, Jano, Dad Ronaldo, and Mommy Maria Fe. At ang mga Alcacids, Augie, Dad Herminio, and Mommy Herminia.